Good morning, Doral Dragons. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for 30 seconds of silence. Please join us in reciting the school motto.
We are Doral. We live by striving to be the best we can be. We learn by working hard and always doing our best. We love by caring for others. We leave a legacy by sharing our school with others and trying to make a difference in the world.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Hello everybody, Mr. Walsh here.
And I'm Kat. Today is October 20th. Here's what's happening at Saddle. Lunch today is chicken tamale with seasoned corn, baby carrots, applesauce, white milk, and chocolate milk. Saddle Clubs. Gardening Club meeting today from 3:45 to 4:45 in room 105 with Miss Emiliano and Ms. Chavez. Thespians today is invite dress rehearsal. Call time is 5:30 p.m. Make sure if you come early to help set up, and all cast and crew must help with the cleanup. Staff members are invited to come and watch the show at 6:30 p.m. Travel Club is meeting today after school at 2:45 p.m. in Ms. Doane's room. Sports updates. Girls Volleyball Junior Varsity and Varsity combined practices after school today from 4 p.m. to 5:15 p.m. on the kindergarten playground.
And basketball tryouts are after school from 2:45 to 4:30. Just like yesterday, make sure you're in proper attire. That includes shirt, shorts, and shoes.
No
school,
Crocs.
No Crocs. No Crocs. School updates. Upper school students, NJHS is selling Ghost Grams during all 3 upper school lunches for $1 from Thursday, October 20th through Tuesday, October 25th. So send your friends a message and a treat. We are going to be delivering them on Halloween during 6th period. And this Friday and Saturday, that show that they're going to be rehearsing and doing the dress rehearsal for, the Thespians are having their play Friday and Saturday at 6:30 p.m. It's going to be awesome. Say happy birthday to these dragons if you see them walking around, and have a great day. Bye.